Hello everyone, I'm Merger. Back with an awesome video today. We're diving into the ultimate guide to becoming a hacker. I guarantee you this is the only video. You'll need to kickstart your hacking journey. Now some of you might be wondering why I'm covering this topic again. Well, I've seen some confusion in the comments, so I want to set the record straight. This video is all about giving you a clear guide to becoming a hacker. No fluff, just real talk from yours truly. Let me tell you, if you're just starting out and you don't follow this guide, please don't waste your time trying to learn hacking. Trust me, it'll save you a lot of time and frustration. If I were to get back into hacking, the first thing I'd focus on is Linux. Why, you ask? Well, Linux is an operating system similar to Windows or macOS, but it's open source, meaning anyone can see and tweak its code. It's praised for its stability, security, and flexibility. There are different versions of Linux, known as distributions or DROs. Newfound knowledge to work in our Linux environment. After mastering networking basics, I want you to dive deeper into network analysis. Take a tool like Wireshark, for example, and explore all the traffic flowing through your network. Learn how to use it effectively. Understand what's happening on your network, and don't stop until you've got a solid grasp of it. And I'll also begin delving into using NMAP to scan open ports on my network and identify vulnerabilities. It's an incredible tool for this purpose. In fact, I've created a comprehensive video guide on math, covering everything you need to know. It's over an hour long, but trust me, it's worth it. So if you're interested, be sure to check it out. If you're interested in a guide on using Wireshark, let me know by commenting below. Alright, hey, now it's time to reward yourself. You've come a long way, and you've done some excellent work. Let me tell you this: mastering Linux and networking will take around 4 months if you put all your energy